Okay, here we go. We're going to be breaking a box of Bowman Chrome baseball tonight, courtesy of Tops. We'd like to thank them for giving us the box for tonight's review on the Trade or Retreat for an opportunity to host tonight's break. As always, you can find a full comprehensive review of the break, chance to win these great cards over on TradeOrRetreat.com. Started off by letting you get a look at one of the rookies, Flores, followed by Hayward and a McNeil. Johnny Field. On to our second pack. Looks like there's 18 packs per box, featuring 2 autographs. And we got our first parallel there, a blue, number 250 of Jake Sanchez. That's a prospect from the Oakland Athletics. A couple more prospects in that pack. Davis, Elias, Jacoby Jones, and here is a refractor. Cardinals of Valera. Moving along here. Gonzalez, Zapega, and O'Neill, Devin Williams. Going rolling with a Cliff Lee, Buster Posey, Nicholas McNeil. For them 2 autographs. A Trumbo. There's an insert. Sonny Gray. Joe Wendell and Tim Cooney rounding out that pack. And then Shelby Miller. Looks like we may have something here as it's backwards. Matt McPherson of the Diamondbacks, autograph, on card, outfielder, nice looking card. Follow that up with a Garcia from the Dodgers. Hosmer, Nelson Cruz, Marlette, and that's a North. We hit our first autograph. There's a George Springer. He's been off to a good start this year. Ian Desmond and Naomi Martin. Up to the back of the box here. See what we got. Ryan Howard. And there's one of our die cuts of Javier Baez. That's kind of an interesting looking card. Ramirez Omar. Right along, these Crows look pretty nice this year. Oscar Tavares, rookie card. And there it looks like we have our second autograph. You can tell the autographs are in upside down. Leland Davidson. And this one is an outfielder from the Cincinnati Reds. Looks like it's Aristides Quino. So another nice on-card autograph, this time from your Cincinnati Reds. So there's our 2 autographs. See what else we run into here. Gordon, David, Noah. A little bit. Murphy, Bird, Dixon, Hafner. Down to the bottom of the box this time. Rendon, Sanchez, Reed, Urena. Coming down to the last 4 packs here. Hernandez. There's a Chrome Mini. That's new to this year's set, I believe. Austin Meadows. Mondesi. And Michael Taylor. Chase Utley, Brett Gardner, Patton, Brooks. 2 packs left. There's a Yu Darvish for you. And here is a die-cut Sterling duel. Dueling die-cuts is what that one's called. And it's Rafael Montero and Miguel Franco are the players on that one. Thurman and Newell. And our last pack tonight. See what's waiting for us in that one. Chris Owen. Unsworth, a nice purple refractor. Those are numbered out of 150. A White House, and we're going to round it out with a Fred Lewis. So I want to thank you again for joining us. We'd like to thank Topps for providing us the box, along with Trader Retreat for allowing us to host this review for you. You'll find a full comprehensive write-up here shortly and a chance to win these great cards.